हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद है कि आप लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं। आज हम आईटी रिलेटेड कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर के बारे में जानेंगे। पिछले वीडियो में हम टॉप 50 क्वेश्चन आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। सो लेट्स गो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, व्हिच आर द 3 फैक्टर्स कॉजेस फायर? ऑप्शन ए फ्यूल, हीट, ऑक्सीजन। ऑप्शन बी ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, फ्यूल। ऑप्शन सी हीट, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन। ऑप्शन डी फ्यूल, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, हीट। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए फ्यूल, हीट, ऑक्सीजन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, which fire extinguisher is used to extinguish class B fire? ऑप्शन ए हेलोजन एक्सटिंग्विशर। ऑप्शन बी फोम एक्सटिंग्विशर। ऑप्शन सी ड्राई पावर एक्सटिंग्विशर। ऑप्शन डी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सटिंग्विशर। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सटिंग्विशर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, the safe way of working is option A an effective and right way of working. Option B an ancient way of working. Option C a way of handling the work in a hurry. Option D a way of normal working. So right answer is option A an effective and right way of working. Question number 19, the best way of avoiding accident is by option A doing work in ancient way. Option B doing work in one's own way. Option C observing safety rules related to job, machine and workplace. Option D using safety equipment. So right answer is observing safety rules related to job, machine and workplace. Question number 20, in case of an accident the victim should immediately be option A asked to take rest. Option B inquired about the accident. Option C attended to immediately. Option D left to himself without treatment. Right answer is option C attended to immediately. Question number 21, what is the period referred as golden hour? Option A first 30 minutes after the incident. Option B first 30 minutes after first aid. Option C first 45 minutes of admission. Option D first 60 minutes after the treatment. So right answer is option A first 30 minutes after incident. Question number 22, what is the first step of avoiding accident in workplace? Option A by wearing safety equipment. Option B doing things in one's own way. Option C by observing safety precautions. Option D doing things with a highly skilled working practice. Right answer is option C by observing safety precautions. Question number 23, what does the symbol denotes? Option A stop. Option B give way. Option C pedestrian crossing. Option D overtaking prohibited. Right answer option B give way. Question number 24, what is the color code of means for waste paper segregation? Option A red, option B blue, option C black, option D green. So right answer is option B blue. Question number 25. What is the kind of road sign? Option A police signal, option B cautionary sign, option C mandatory sign, option D information sign. So the right answer is option D information sign. Question number 26. An oily floor should be cleaned by option A cotton waste, option B putting water, option C putting sawdust, option D spraying carbon dioxide or sand. Right answer is option C putting sawdust. Question number 27. In case of arc welding, one should protect his eyes by using option A dark skin glass, option B sun goggles, option C mask, option D clear goggles, clear glasses. So right answer is option A dark skin glass. Question number 28. While grinding, one must use option A dark glass skin, option B mask, option C safety goggles, option D sun goggles. So right answer is option C safety goggles. Question number 29. A hammer with loosely fitted handle will option A fly away and cause accident, option B absorb shock, option C have easy swing, option D convey more leverage. So right answer is fly away and cause accident. So last question 30. Accidents are caused, do not happen. Which one of the following is not due to human failure? Option A train accidents due to signal failure, option B driving the vehicle in drunk state, option C accidents due to earthquake, option D crossing the unmanned rail crossing without logging both sides. So right answer option C accidents due to earthquake. सो थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग फ्रेंड्स। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो ज़रूर लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिए और मोर अपडेट्स